In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a swirly, sparkly sensory bottle with shaving cream and a few other supplies. The supplies you're going to need are food coloring, glitter and gems if you want, shaving cream, a recycled clear bottle, and warm water. First, you will need to fill a water bottle up with shaving cream. Do this slowly because the shaving cream will expand quickly and you want to have enough room to add water to the bottle also. Because the more shaving cream you put in, the more sparkly and glittery it will be. Then you are going to put the cap back on and shake the bottle to mix the water and the shaving cream together. You're going to want to let the mixture sit, but you want to keep checking on it every hour or so, waiting to see the water and the shaving cream separate. The water should filter through the shaving cream, and after a while you should see water at the bottom of the bottle and a little bit of glitter too. Once the water and the shaving cream have separated, you can scoop out the leftover shaving cream or squeeze the bottle to push it out. This will make room for more shaving cream and water. Again, the more shaving cream you put in the bottle, the more sparkly it will be. After this, you want to shake the bottle again and wait for it to separate. You can repeat this process as many times as you want until you like the amount of glitter you see at the bottom. I did it around 2 to 3 times. Once you're done with adding shaving cream and water, you can bring the bottle to the sink and fill the rest of the bottle with the water. Hold it at an angle so the rest of the foamy, watery shaving cream can run out. After the bottle is filled with water, you can shake the bottle and see the glitter swirl around. You can now add any color of food coloring and glitter or sequences if you want. After that, you want to screw the cap back on the bottle and shake it to mix it in. The food coloring will change the color of the bottle, but you'll still be able to see the sparkles. And that's it. Now you have a glittery, swirly snow globe decoration. These bottles can be used for sensory bottles for children, or it can be a cool gift to give to a friend for their birthday or for Christmas.